Hello students, welcome to United Public School Online Education. Welcome to class 3. Yes, this year you are coming in the class 3. And which is this subject? Yes, the subject is maths, that is mathematics. You like maths? Yes? Okay. So what we study in the maths? Yes, we study about the numbers and the figures and the different shapes. Okay. So all are you ready? Let's start with chapter number 1, numbers and numeration. First topic, extension of numbers up to 10,000. So in the previous class, we have learned numbers up to 999. Now we will learn 4-digit numbers. Before moving further, let's take a quick review. Okay students, so see, this is number chart from 1 to 100. That means our numbers start from the 1. Yes, so from number 1 to number 9, you can see the 1-digit number only. So we can say that this is the 1-digit number family. Yes or no? Yes. And from 10, there is a 2-digit number started. Yes, na? Okay. So in 1-digit family, how many numbers? From number 1 to number 9. Yes. So which is the smallest one? Yes, 1 is the smallest one. So here 1 we called it as a smallest 1-digit number. And which is the greatest 1-digit number? Yes, 9 is the greatest 1-digit number. Okay. So you have to remember this. Okay. Now let's see the another chart. This chart is also 1 to 100. But now we will see the numbers from 10 to number 99. So in this all the numbers we see from number 10 to 99 have 2 digits. Yes, so we called it as a 2-digit number family. So 2-digit number family start from 10 and end with the 99. So which is the smallest 2-digit number? Yes, 10. And which is the greatest 2-digit number? Yes, 99. Okay. So 99 is the greatest 2-digit and 10 is the smallest 2-digit. Now after 99, which number come? Yes, 100. Can you see the 100, these two charts? In that we see the 100 to 1000. Yes. And 100, then after 200, then 300. Like that up to 1000. So which is the smallest 3-digit number? Yes, 100. And which is the greatest 2-digit number? Yes, see in the second chart. Yes, 999. Because after 999, the numbers come 1000. That is the 4-digit. So 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. Okay, got it? So again keep it in your mind. That is 100 is the smallest 3-digit and 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. That means after 999, how we get? So when we add 1 to the greatest 3-digit numbers, so we get the smallest 4-digit number. That is 1000. Okay students, see, one box means 110. Now group of 10 balls, that is the 110. Group of these 10 strips, that is the 100. And this sheet of 10 100, that is the 1000. How it makes? Let's see. See, like this 900 sheets, we take the 900. So similarly, if we take the 1000 sheets, that makes the 1000. That means after 999, the number comes 1000. And in this 1000, how many digits? Yes, 4 digit. That means 1000. Let's learn more about 4 digit numbers. 1000 plus 1000, 2000. 1000, 1000, 1000. So what we get? 3000. Similarly, 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000 plus 1000. What we get? 4000. Okay. Next is numbers on abacus. You know the abacus? Yes, see, we know that 999. When we add 1, we get the 1000. So similarly, 2000, 3000, 4, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000 and 9000. Okay. Let's see the another example beyond abacus beyond the 1000. That means suppose the number is 4 digit, how we can show it? See, 1000 plus 7, so we can put the 7 bits in the 1000. Now suppose on the 100 column there is a 6 bits, so we write the 6. Now in the tens, 2 bits, that is the 20, and ones column, that is the 4 bits, that is the 4. So which number made? 7624. Let's see the another example in these. How many bits in the 1000 column? 2. So we write here 2000. How many bits in the 100? 4. So we write 400. Tens 1 and ones 3. So that is 13. So number which one made? 2413. Okay students, now let's see how to write 4 digit numbers in words. So for that, first you have to know their place. Suppose the number is 2145. So first we start from writing the numbers from 1000 columns. So at the 1000 columns, which is the number 2? So we write the 2000. In the 100 column, which is the number 1? So we write the 100. And in the tens and ones combined, we see 4 and 5. So we write 45. Next, our topic is place value and face value. Value of different places. In order to write the 4 digit numbers, we need 4 places. Each place has the different value. Let's see in the table the values of different places from 1000 to ones. So what is face value? The face value of a digit is the value of digit itself, wherever it may be placed. Okay, so let's see with the example. Write the face value of digit in the number 3261. Know that the face value of any digit in a number is the digit itself. Yes, now. So let's see. The numbers on the ones place is 1. So what is the face value of 1? 1. The number on the tens place is 6. So what is the face value of 6? Is 6. The numbers on 100 is 2. So the face value is 2. Number on thousands place is 3. So the face value is 3 only. Now let's see about the place value. The place value of a digit depends on its position of the number. So let's see with the example. Arrange the numerals 2536 according to their place value table. So we can write the number in the place value. So first 2 is come in the 1000 place, 5 is come in the 100 place, 3 is comes in the tens place, and 6 is come in the ones place. Let's see. This chart I can place the number. Now let's see their place values. So what is the place value of the digit 6? 6 into 1, 6 only. Place value of the 3, 3 into 10, 30. Place value of 5, 5 into 100, 500. And place value of 2 is 2 into 1000, 2000. Okay. To understand the face value and place value, let's see the another example. The number is 3679. So what is the place value of digit 3? 3000. And face value 3 only. What is the place value of 6? Is the 600, and face value is 6 only. What is the place value of 7? 7 tens, and face value is 7. What is the place value of 9? 9 ones, and face value is 9. Okay. Expanded form and short form. With the sum of place values of the digits of numerals, it's called its expanded form. Okay, by expanding the numbers, we understand the value of a digit in the numerals. That means whatever the place values, we can add it out. So let's see with the example. The numerals 3425 can be expanded as. Let's see. First, I keep it into their place value chart. Value of 3, 3000, value of 4, 400, value of 2, 20, value of 5, 5. So we can add it, we get the expanded form. Remember, when we write the numbers using digits, we called it as a short form or the short notation. Let's see with the example. Write in short form. See here, some expanded forms are given. So let's see how we can write in the short form. First one, 4000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 6. That means 4000 we have to keep as a at 1000 place, 3 at the 100 place, 5 as a tens place and 6 as a ones place. So what is the number made? 4356. Similarly, we can write all these expanded form in the short form. Okay. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.